You know, it all boils down to getting world-class researchers and giving them the money to do world-class things.
Their whole raison d'etre is to get the technology out there and used in industry.
We really try to listen to what industry wants to do. CRANN is a nanoscience material science research institute based in Trinity College Dublin. CRANN is really focused firstly and foremostly on doing really great research. But what you find when you do really great research is that you innovate new ideas, and those new ideas provide new opportunities.
It's incredibly important that an academic institute understands the needs of business in terms of pace and flexibility, and CRANN is an institute which does that.
Well, I think the collaboration between Intel Ireland and CRANN has been a very successful and important one. I appreciate the way CRANN is a very flexible institute to work in.
The funding that CRANN has had from the Irish government is incredible, and they have converted that into world-leading technologies around nanoscience.
Well, nanotechnology is interesting and important because it provides us access to materials that we never had before.
I guess what we look at really are technologies which are applied towards the ICT sector, medical devices, a little bit for the pharmaceuticals. This kind of catch-all of industrial technologies.
In the area of ICT, we're making a lot of progress with telecommunications technologies. In particular, we're looking at methodologies or new techniques for optimizing the signal to noise, so you're able to receive better wireless communications. In the area of medical device technologies, we're particularly interested in cantilever arrays, which allow us to do label-free diagnostics, so we can detect small quantities of microorganisms, which will be very helpful in the medical area. In the area of advanced manufacturing, we've developed chromatographic resins technologies that allows us to do high-efficiency separations, but importantly, the resins are actually alkaline resistant, so it's possible to reuse them over and over again, which is a big advance. A particular focus of CRANN is in fact novel materials because they provide the means to impact technologies. We're making a lot of progress with nanowires, particularly for memory applications, but down the road we're hoping we'll be able to look at neural networks.
A lot of times inventions in a particular field or area, especially when it comes down to advanced materials, it's not clear where the actual best application is, and that's where your commercialization team within the university is helpful.
The role of the commercialisation team in CRANN is to work with the principal investigators to give their technologies the best opportunity for commercial success.
To bridge the gap between academia and industry.
What's unique about CRANN and the approach they take is that it's incredibly professional, and they really want to see the technology used. They engage very well with industry. They have a very business-like approach.
The CRANN Commercialisation team are absolutely on the ground, whereas we are acting on behalf of the university.
They bend over backwards to open the doors and create a collaborative atmosphere.
CRANN are very pro-business, very flexible.
An institution in the middle of nowhere, that doesn't have any of these things might invent something super important, but no one's going to see it because they don't have the external interface.
I think the challenge is how do you transition from being competitive internationally to being leading, and I think that's the growth for CRANN over the next 10 years.